YouTube world and people watching this video. I'm here on my bike, taking a ride like I've done for the past, I don't know, 4 months, 5 months. That was a car. Whoa. So let's get going. It's gas and friendly, eco-friendly. Doesn't hurt the environment. Me riding, I get exercise, helps me out. And this is my little bike ride that I ride every day, pretty much the work that I work. I don't usually work Saturdays and Sundays, but Saturdays, most Saturdays I have. But, yeah, so let's go. Oh, this is Chestnut Ridge Road. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, there we go. Whew. Alright. So yeah, this is where I ride. Most mornings I ride this way or the other way. A lot more times I've ridden the other direction that I can go straight out down my driveway and then down to 343. But we're passing the residents of Make Out Music, the band. I don't know, they're going to become famous. You better watch out. That's their place there. Went up to Squirrely and Olivier, Pilar, and anyone else that may use it, or chilling out or whatever. Girlfriend, boyfriend, friends of friends. There's the tenant, or the people that own the property that Tyler rents from. They're pretty cool. I see just the place where I go with some landscaping. He's a great landscaper. A+ landscaper. Car coming behind us, I think. Nope. It's up in front. There goes the car by. Yes, sir. We're now about to cross down the hill. Up here, there's a sign. Central Hudson, caution frequent stops. Somewhere here, it says, right here. What do you know? Look out the road. Yes, we will enjoy going down the hill. So let's head on down. Higher Ground Farms used to be Sunset Ridge Farm. Oh, it's right there. Past that. This hill is crazy. I've ridden up it and down it. Both ways are bad. But the easiest going down, obviously. Landscapers. More landscapers. Oh, but they are the Mexicans that work on that property. Driving in a lane, which is very dangerous. Well, by road closer to the edge. Hate to drive in this lane. We come around the corner here. Go slow because I have the camera. If I did sound bad, I do have a but I still ride to work. Doesn't stop me. As much as possible. I will be getting a car soon, 1973 Volkswagen Beetle. I might post a video about that probably too. But that's still pretty good on gas, so I can't complain. That'll be good for the winter. I don't really like to ride in the winter, it's too cold out here. Today actually is pretty chill. But look at the view. What an awesome view that is. Great. Big farms, cows, and well, people in bankrupt, so I don't know what happened. I know the land, the property, big top. Golly. Crazy that nothing can save me, but it's the only thing. just have to watch. I gotta cross 343. There should be a maybe a little end over here. And then when they set in joy, the A puts down the N somewhere up here. Not the white there. It's written in orange lettering. Coming along here, the N is probably. What do you know? Stop! Stop. Oh wait, stop. Ahead. Yeah. Oh, that. So we're coming up to the end of the road here. Hope you're enjoying this little awesome bike ride with me. Maybe we'll figure out my mistake. I love getting the exercise though. I mean, it would, but. So this is the clue for all you people who feel you're obese or overweight. Mildly or excessively. Go for a bike ride if you can get on a bike. Crossing the road, looking left and looking right. Check it. Alright, we're across. So, White House on the corner. I think people sold that too. I'm not exactly sure. I don't know everyone around here, the properties and stuff. But, you see cars pulling out. Rarely. I have any of these driveways along here. Something big. Dump truck. It's not bad right now. Temperature's nice. It's awesome. Car driving by. Yeah. Definitely have a cold. But it's okay, as long as the weather's not too bad. Alright. Toyota. So we're coming up on Walbridge, the farm where Julius, good friend Julius works at, Mr. Tonkel, fellow firefighter, and these people at Peabody Farm, Crockett and Roll, Fryhoppers, delivering those donuts that the Browns that live there, Arch. That guy's cool. Yeah. Road, I believe. We're coming up along my turn here on the 99. Cars driving by. It is awesome. Dump truck with a load of dirt and leaves all over the damn road. Oh, the leaf blower is over there.